Today's January 9th, 2017. Got some very light flurries coming down. Weather looks nice and gray. Figure I'd fly my best 11 bird team. They're kind of way out there, but hopefully they get a little closer so we can get a better view. I would zoom in for a better depth, but then again, too close doesn't quite get the depth or an actual depth of what the bird is rolling. So I keep it a little bit out, so this way you can kind of tell. Kind of making their way back, but the weather today on January 9th is about 20 degrees in Minnesota, at least where I am. I got that one. He's coming down pretty deep. He's about 40, close to 50, and that one's a tort caught. That's a biker. I got a black white flight. That one's about 50, maybe sometimes 60. I put that one away. A little bit too scary with this cold Minnesota weather. No telling what's gonna happen. So we'll let it mature a little bit. It's only about 5-6 months old. And there you have it, folks. Looks like they're making their way back. Whoa. January 9th, 2017. Hoping these guys come in a little bit better and as a group. There goes that tort.